Our current educational system worldwide are struggling to deliver on their promises. They're like outdated maps in a rapidly evolving world. The skills they provide feel short of what's demanded in today's work. The need for a revolution in education has never been greater. Hello, fellow educators. I am Dan Majkic, and I've embarked on a journey of educational rediscovery. And why? Because I've seen firsthand the gaps in our traditional systems. Here's the exciting part. I'm not just an educator. I bring Agile and Scrum skills to the table. Imagine combining the art of teaching with the science of Agile methodologies. That's the sweet spot we are aiming for. But who is this for? If you are a teacher in elementary or secondary school, a professor, any type of educator, or even an online coach or course creator, you are in the right place. So what can you expect from this course? Get ready for a transformative educational journey. We are not just talking about tweaking a few things, we are diving deep into reshaping your role as an educator. Discover how to elevate your teaching game by infusing project-based learning into your curriculum. But that's not all. We will unreveal the intricacies of the Scrum framework, explaining in detail how it can become your trusted ally in fostering collaboration, enhancing productivity, and ensuring your educational efforts hit the mark. From classroom dynamics to student engagement, we are exploring it all to empower you with the tools you need for a truly impactful teaching experience. And for your students, this means an educational shift like no other. They will find themselves in an environment where learning is dynamic, engaging, and directly applicable to the real world. Project-based learning with Scrum means they won't just absorb information. They will actively participate, collaborate, and develop critical thinking skills. Imagine students who not only excel academically, but also thrive in an ever-evolving landscape of the modern workplace. That's the outcome we are aiming for. Students prepared not just for exams, but for challenges and opportunities of the future. But why should you care? Because this approach isn't about thinking educational boxes. It's about empowering you, the teacher, and your students to thrive in a dynamic, ever-changing world. It's about skills that matter, collaboration that inspires, and outcomes that truly make a difference. So if you are ready to change the status quo, reinvent your teaching approach, and unlock the full potential of education, join me on this exciting journey. Let's make a difference by doing something different. Are you in? If you are, please join my waiting list. By joining, you will be among the first to gain access to the course at the discounted price as soon as it is finished. Not only you will be investing in your own professional growth, but you will also be supporting my efforts to implement Scrum and bring positive change to the educational system worldwide. Let's reshape the future of education together.